What is up, YouTube? Today we are here on Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Thanks, Bevis. Thank you very much, Bevis. And we are gonna let the boys play while we go and see if we can catch any fish in this corner right here. Stay tuned for some epic action. Ooh. There's one. Nice clean fish. Winthrop Harbor. Yeah, guys, nice clean fish. Winthrop Harbor. Got him on a TRD. It actually looks like, believe it or not, these guys might still be bedding. It seems like he's very protective of a particular spot. He might even be bedding. Going in. Another nice clean one. Winthrop Harbor. Beautiful. Where's Jonah? Find out it's just wrecking them right now. Look at that beautiful rock bass. Winthrop Harbor. Here with my little guys on Father's Day, having some fun. There we are. Finally. This is the bass we've been trying to catch for all that time. Nice fish. Winthrop Harbor. Finally got him to go. Nice fish though. Took him a while, and here we are, guys. With that fish, we are out. Father's Day. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Send this video to a friend, and we'll see you guys next week and every Friday with another geofishing exclusive. Peace.